Alright, you guys. It's Sunday, July 21st, around 8:47. There's Roxley. He wants to go outside, so hang on. Stay. Come here. Okay. Alright, sorry. So put him on his tether. There's Roxford. One of belly rubs. So, okay. Belly rub. Alright, Dave, right back, boy. Alright. Just a small little update. I got up early this morning. Was out here at 7. Well, it was cool. Now it's cool again. But it's been raining on and off this afternoon. And my leg is killing me. And it's killing me. Haven't touched this wood yet. I'm working on it. But we're going up to the garden. It's going to be a surprise. I weeded it. I mean, I got to fine tune the weeding, but I got most of it weeded out. I got a bunch of volunteers. I'm going to have to stake those up here. You see them all laying down now. They fall down when I weeded it. I've got this section right here to weed, and I got to be careful because here's where I plant my green onions. I got my pepper plants. Somehow I think I destroyed a couple of them when I was bush hogging my garden. I've got no giant sure what this is. Gotta make sure it stays uncovered. I think they're cucumbers, because I also found while I was weeding another vine plant. I think that's part of it, and here's part of it, and here's one. So now, since I know where everything is, then here are two of my pepper plants I cut down. Yeah, I think they're pepper plants. Hopefully they'll come back. They look like you got life still left in them. If they're not pepper plants, oh well. They're supposed to be inroad giants. I got a few go up here. I didn't have gloves, so they're my thorny ones. I've got to actually really water this thing. That's going to be our next project. But this is one main reason I'm throwing the tarp down. Let's see if I can't find any. No. Here we go. These, it looks like corn stalks. They got roots that literally will shoot out and put up new ones. So unless I get every freaking root out, I'll never get rid of them. So I'm just throwing the tarp down. I put this one together, and then I was gonna make steaks, and I haven't made steaks yet. I got things to do. I lost my hammer out here, but that's okay. I'll just pick it up now. And then once I stake this down and pull a tape width, then I'll pull the tape length, and hopefully I'll kill everything underneath it. But there's my garden so far. Work in progress, but at least I am working on it. It came out later on this evening between the rain. Well, right around, I don't know, a little bit after 2-ish. And finished weed when it needed to weeded, but it's coming. I'm happy when I'm getting done. I just gotta take this rototiller out of here and put it somewhere. I gotta get my shed up. That's I gotta figure a way to where to move it so I can actually where I can move it to so I can actually put it together, because where I'm going, where I've got it now, it's not level. So maybe I might have to take it into the road, put it on the road, set it up, screw it together, then drag it to wherever I want it. Hey, get in your yard. Do you guys see Rockster? Do you see him? He's laying in the road. Rockster's laying in the road. Come on, get out of the road. Come on, get out of the road. Come out of the road. Come on. Come here. You're gonna make Daddy mad, he'll pick you up. And Daddy ain't no shape to pick you up. Yeah, you see who's being bossy, don't you? He's not doing what Daddy wants. Alrighty. Question is, will he get out of the road? Yes, because Daddy's gonna go get him out of the road. Hey! Get in your yard, now! Get in here. Come here. Come here, now! Rockster! Get over here! Alright, you guys. And I put you down while you go bring him in his yard. Come here. Get in your yard. Get in your yard. 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 Good boy. Good boy. Alright, you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. See you guys around. Bye.